How to back up my documents to OneDrive. Hello everyone, and let's get started. OneDrive is a cloud storage service provided by Microsoft that allows users to store files and data on the cloud. It offers both free and subscription-based storage plans with options for individuals, business, and organization. So if you want to back up using the OneDrive, tap on this up arrow icon which will open OneDrive. Then after, go on the cloud option and then it will open a new tab. Hereby, you will see a list of options such as Open Documents, View Online, and such other. Now you have to tap on the settings icon and here you have the option of sync and backup. Tap on Manage Backup and it will scan for all the documents, files, pictures, desktop application, and much more. Once that is done, you can just tap on Backup and you're good to go. In the similar manner, you can toggle on the option of Save Photos and Videos, Save Documents, and such other options and preferences in order to back up such files and folders. You can also download all the files and turn up the disk space. Similarly, in order to store it another way, open the cloud and go to Open Folders. Hereby, you have a location of a folder whereby you can store different kind of backup files. So you can just go to any file that you want to back up, then right click on it and copy or move. Then you can move it to this location which is on your desktop itself. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.